Hi there, students. Anew, anew. Okay, this is an adverb. Basically, it means again. So let's do it anew. Let's do it again. This work needs to be done anew. Now, with this adverb anew, it gives the idea that you ought to do it in a different way. So it can mean just let's repeat what we've just done. But it more normally gives the nuance that let's do it again, but in a different way. Let's try a different form of doing it. So the film told the story anew in a different way. Or if you've read Heart of Darkness, the film Apocalypse Now is the story anew. It's the same story but in a different way. Okay, so to tell a story anew, to tell it in a slightly different way. He was, when he was young, he was famous as a footballer. But when he got old, he gained fame anew as a fashion model. So afresh, again, but again in a different way, in a new and different form, in a new and different manner. So every night I go to bed and then I wake up anew. It's a new day. It's a new day. I wake up anew. I'm afresh. I'm ready to do things in a different way. So anew, it can mean once more again, another time, but in another form, in another manner. So play that song anew. Play it again. Or you could write the song anew. So that would be a different version of the same thing. I'm ready to start anew. I'm ready to start again. So notice this word anew, it's probably rather poetic. Yeah, once more, afresh, in a new way, newly. Yeah, each morning, opportunity, like the sun, dawns anew. It comes out anew. It's a new thing. He started coughing anew. So here, just again. Yeah, but okay, again, once more, once again, a second time, afresh, over again. So yeah, they told the story anew in a film. Okay, yes, after my holiday, I'm ready to begin work anew. Okay, I'm going to do this project anew, over again, in a new way. I'm going to find a new way of doing it, a different way of doing it, afresh. And this is particularly the idea. You're doing it another time, but in a different way, newly. So after his life fell to pieces, he began his life anew. Maybe if you have a close thing and you nearly die, then maybe you look at the way you're living anew and you decide the things that are important. Okay, you need to do things anew. Instead of getting into your comfort zone, try looking at the whole situation anew. Yeah, from a new point of view. Okay, so anew. Remember, this is an adverb, so you need a verb to describe it, to do something anew, to conquer anew, to start anew, to begin anew. Okay, so anew, again, but again in a new and different way. Okay, so origin, well, clearly it comes from the word new. Yeah, Middle English, anew. Yeah, but from of new, and that's the idea. Formality, anew. Let's do this anew. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality, maybe a 6. I would still say though you could just about use it anywhere. Yeah, do it anew, do it afresh. It sounds a little bit formal, but no, I'm gonna give it a 6 in formality, but I would say use anywhere, although it's on the more formal side. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope I don't have to do this video anew. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Anew.